Hey there, wonderful humans. I'm Mr. Knee Walker, and this is my better half, Mrs. Knee Walker.
Hi, everyone. We're here because, well, we need to have a little chat with you about how you treat us.
Yeah, we've been talking, and honestly, we're feeling a bit underappreciated despite all we do for you. So, we decided it's time to set the record straight.
Here's the thing. We were designed to carry you from A to B with grace, but sometimes you don't make it easy for us.
Jumping, running, twisting, and turning. We're not saying don't have fun, but be kind. When you don't look after us, things can go wrong.
And here's the kicker. When we do get hurt, some of you just ignore it.
Come on now, nip it in the bud, as they say. A little care early on can save a lot of trouble later.
Instead of popping painkillers and pretending everything's fine, how about getting to the root of the problem?
And when the pain gets worse, then you start poking, injecting, prodding, and sometimes replacing us. Ouch! We don't mind the MOTs, but get us sorted sooner rather than waiting until it's too late, when replacing us is the only option.
I like my partner and don't want him replaced with a metal man. We don't want to end up in that situation. We love working for you and keeping you moving. So let's make a deal. Look after us, and if something doesn't feel right, get it checked.
And for that, we highly recommend our friends over at the Droitwich Knee Clinic.
They've been taking care of knees like us since 1988. No long waits, just expert care to get us back in shape.
So, treat your Mr. and Mrs. Knees with love. When we're happy, you're happy. Thanks for listening, and let's keep moving together.